Hey teachers, thanks for dropping by to take a look at my color by number for teaching math facts, biggest bundle, and that's kind of a misnomer because I'm going to be adding to this bundle, and if you get in now, then you get all the future smaller bundles for free that are included with it, all the different themes. As you can see from the list on the right, color by number is a fantastic activity, and it is a part of any strong math program in primary. Here are some of the reasons why, especially with a big bundle like this where there are so many themes and all the mental math strategies are included. Differentiation is made easy. It supports social emotional learning because coloring is one of the strategies that we teach kids for calming themselves. It's great for classroom community building and, of course, fine motor skill development. Excuse my words. And this is great for color by number for teaching at centers because it's a familiar activity. Once you show them what to do at the beginning of the year, they will know what to do throughout the year every time they see that activity at the center. And this minimizes behavior. So what makes these color by number for teaching different? There are multiple designs which provide student choice, another element of differentiation. There's one strategy and one operation in each of the mini bundles, and that really helps the students focus in on their repetitive practice, and it's great for spiral review and just focusing on that one strategy. And students can choose with or without a number line, or you can, and this allows for an element of formative assessment. Within this big bundle so far, with more to come, there are 5 themes. For example, camping is a theme, space is a theme, etc. And within each theme, there are a number of mental math strategies that your students need. And again, there are more to come for those. And within each mental math strategy, there are 6 designs. So if you look at this image right here, what you've got is the 6 designs that are within the camping theme. And these designs are for each strategy and with or without the number line. Lots of variety. And what you've got here is just one of the answer keys from each of the 5 themes that I'm going to be completing and growing this bundle with. And the best thing is, if you get in now, you get all of these for free because the price will go up with each additional theme. These are great for morning work, small groups to send home. They're also great for putting in your sub-binders. You can use them without the number line for formative assessment for sure. And of course, they each come with answer keys. And what other teachers have to say, I am always flattered and encouraged by teachers. I know that my students have loved activities like these, but it's wonderful to hear that they're a success in other classrooms as well. And of course, here's a reminder, this is what it looks like when you've got the same page with a number line and without. So you've got the greater number of options here. The table of contents for each activity is hyperlinked. So by now, my color by number for teaching math, and you will be providing your students with engaging, effective, no prep math fact practice. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you soon.